Take 1 big or 2 small cloves of garlic, crush it, chop it up and set it aside. Do this first so the medicinal garlic compounds have time to change from inactive to active form. While the garlic is doing its magic, take 2 tablespoons of your favorite sour cream, 1 teaspoon of your favorite mayonnaise, about a tablespoon of parsley, and salt and pepper to your liking. Don't worry about the fat content in the sour cream and its effect on your cholesterol, as according to some research, 1 clove of garlic a day can reduce cholesterol levels by 10%. The parsley in the sauce will prevent garlic breath. Mix everything with the garlic and enjoy with meats, nuggets, potatoes in any form, cheese sticks, even the burnt ones, pizza, deli meat sandwiches, and raw vegetables. Let me know in the comments what else it may go well with.